Hello guys! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to watch YouTube in your car using CarTube Plus. I'll demonstrate an easy way to access YouTube on your vehicle's display, but remember, safety comes first, so never watch while driving. Now, let's dive into the solution. CarTube Plus is an app that allows you to enjoy YouTube and other platforms right on your car screen. Setting it up is a breeze. Just connect your device via Bluetooth or a wired connection using CarPlay, and you'll have YouTube available in no time. If you're interested in learning how to install CarTube and watch YouTube in your car, stay tuned as I guide you through the entire process. Before we get started, there are a few settings to check. First, go to your device's settings, tap on battery, and ensure that low power mode is turned off, as this can affect the app's performance. Next, navigate to the General section. Select Background App Refresh, and make sure either Wi-Fi and mobile data is enabled. Once these settings are adjusted, we can kick off the installation. Open your browser and head to appbinge.com, a trusted source for modded apps. Search for CarTube Plus and click on it. You'll see a window with details like download counts and community ratings. Click the Download Now button to start the installation process. It's quick, and you'll soon receive a confirmation that the app has been successfully installed. If you don't see the confirmation, you might need to take one more simple step to download additional files, but no worries. There's a tutorial on the website that guides you through it. Once you follow that, the file will download right away. I've already installed it myself, and it works flawlessly. And that's all there is to it. That's the complete process for getting CarTube Plus. Thanks for sticking around until the end of the video. If you found this guide helpful and everything is working well for you, please like the video and consider subscribing to my channel for more tutorials like this. If you encounter any issues or have questions, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks again, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.